In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Secure Boot in Windows 11. Secure Boot is a security feature that helps protect your PC from malicious software that can run before Windows even starts. It's also one of the requirements for Windows 11, so if your system shows that Secure Boot is not enabled, this guide will walk you through turning it on safely. First, start in Windows 11. Click on the Start button and open Settings. In the Settings window, go to System, then scroll down and select Recovery. Here, you'll see an option called Advanced Startup. Click Restart Now. Windows will warn you that it's about to restart into a special menu. Confirm to continue. Your PC will reboot into the Windows recovery environment. On the blue screen that appears, choose Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options, and then click on UEFI Firmware Settings. This option might also be labeled as something like Change UEFI Settings depending on your device. Click Restart to enter your computer's firmware, also known as the BIOS or UEFI. Once you're in the firmware interface, the mouse may or may not work, and you might need to use the arrow keys, Enter and Escape, to navigate. Look for a tab or section labeled Boot, Security, or sometimes Advanced. The exact layout depends on your motherboard or laptop brand, so take your time browsing carefully through the menus. Within those menus, you're looking for an option called Secure Boot. It might be under a submenu like Secure Boot Configuration. When you find it, check its current status. If it's set to Disabled, highlight it and change it to Enabled. On some systems, you may first need to switch the boot mode from Legacy or CSM to UEFI before you can enable Secure Boot. If you see an option for Legacy Boot or CSM support, disable that, then return to the Secure Boot setting and enable it. After enabling Secure Boot, you need to save your changes. Usually there's an Exit tab or a prompt at the bottom showing the key to press for Save and Exit, often F10. Choose Save Changes and Exit. Your computer will restart. When Windows 11 loads again, you can confirm Secure Boot is enabled by opening the System Information app and looking for Secure Boot State. It should now say On. If it doesn't, repeat the steps and double-check that your system is set to UEFI mode. That's it. You've successfully enabled Secure Boot in Windows 11, improving your device's security and meeting one of the key requirements for the operating system.